Hello everyone, welcome to a special episode, NF 5.3 Division and Fractions. This is a rather simple concept where you just need to really read carefully on what they're asking you to do or what information they're giving you, and then you're just going to put the division problem into a fraction. You need to know that every division problem, or every fraction is a division problem. So 1 over 2 is the same as 1 divided by 2. The top part of a fraction is your dividend. It's what's being divided. The bottom part of your fraction, the denominator, right? So the top's your numerator. The bottom is your denominator. That is your divisor, or how many times it's being divided. So let's go ahead and get started. Please write down the rules, and you can also write down example 1 once you pause it. So the first rule is you need to read the word problem. What's being divided? What's your dividend? How many times is it being divided by? What's the part, or divisor? Okay? I'm sorry, the part would be the numerator. Your dividend, what's being divided, is your denominator. So what's being divided is going to be your denominator. That's your dividend. How many times it's being divided by, or the part, is your divisor or the numerator. And this will make a lot more sense once we get into the actual examples. But the part that's being divided is your numerator. So what's being divided is your numerator. The group that it's being divided into will be your denominator. Okay? So let's go ahead and start with the first example. A home economics teacher was teaching her class how to make cupcakes. She divided 45 ounces of sprinkles into 8 groups of students. How many ounces of sprinkles did each group receive? So how many groups of students are there? What's the whole amount of students in groups? Well, there's 8 groups, okay? It's being divided 8 times. And then what's being divided here? What are the parts that's being divided into the groups? 45 ounces of sprinkles. So your answer is 45 over 8. Okay? The part that's being divided, the sprinkles is what's being divided. That's our numerator. The groups, what it's being divided into, is our denominator. So our answer is 45 over 8. And that's it. Let's go ahead and do the second example. 19 soccer players want to share 9 bottles of water after the game. What fraction of water will each player get? Well, what's the group here? It's 19. And what are they splitting up? What's the parts that they're splitting up? 9. So our answer, the part is 9. The group is 19. Our answer is 9 over 19. Okay, let's go ahead and do example number 3. This one is not a word problem. This one's a pretty simple one. They just say, what expression is equal to 5 over 7? Well, like I said, every fraction's a division problem. It's the same as 5 divided by 7. And that's our final answer. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. It's a very quick video. Just remember the steps. Okay, if you need to reread the word problems, you need to know, okay, the part being divided is your numerator. Okay, what's being split up? The group that it's being divided into is your denominator. Okay, that's really basically all this is. You need to look at the parts that's being divided, that's your numerator, and what it's being divided into, the groups, that's your denominator. Okay, thank you for watching, you guys. Have a good one.